Let's solve one previous question of general aptitude. This question was asked in GATE CS 2024 set 1 GA question number 3. Consider the following sample of numbers. These are the samples. The median of the sample is and 4 options are given. How to find medians? First arrange the number in increasing order, then the middle number is the median. So first step we need to write this in increasing order. So first will be 9, 10, 11, 11. There are 2 11, then 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 69. So here 10 numbers are present. So sample size is 10. When the length is even, middle to number sum, divide 2 is the median. When the length is odd, middle number is the median. So here length is even, that's why 5th number and 6th number addition divide 2 will be the median. So 5th number is 13 plus 14. So 13 plus 14 divide 2 is our median. So 13 plus 14 divide 2 is 13.5. So here answer will be option A. 13.5 is the median of this sample of numbers. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.